Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with a crate from Dollar Tree and these shims from Home Depot. I took the shims and I drilled holes in the fatter ends of each of the shims, and I am going to glue them to each side of the crate. And I'm going to cover those holes in the crate. And then I'm just using a level to make sure that have them on and that they're even. Then I'm going to take a dowel and I'm going to slide that through both of the shims. And then I'm going to add a little bit of glue to each side and then just push the dowel through, wipe off the excess. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm just going to let that dry. Once that was fully dry, I'm going to take some white paint and I'm going to paint the whole entire thing with the white paint. You could use white acrylic paint or white chalk paint. I painted the whole thing. I even did the inside and the bottom. I just wanted to make sure that it was fully finished all the way around. Once I had that all painted and I let it dry thoroughly, I'm going to take these rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree and I'm going to cut out the Farm Fresh Flowers transfer. So I'm just going to cut that right in the middle. And then I'm going to lay that right on the front of my crate. And then I'm going to press that down, and then I'm just going to use a popsicle stick to adhere the rub-on transfer. And just keep rubbing it and peeling off that plastic until it was all on there. And I'm just making sure that I get every little bit of it. I don't want to peel it up and miss any letters. And then I just kind of peel and rub as I go. Once I have that all on there, I'm going to take some of these little plants. I don't remember if I got these at a thrift store or if they came from Dollar Tree. But they had little stands. I'm just going to set those right inside. Kind of spread them all out. And I can change these out, which is the good thing about this, is that they're not permanently in there. So I can kind of remove them and add what I want. Maybe make this seasonal. Then I'm just going to take some twine, put a little bit of glue, and then just wrap a little bit around this end piece of the dowel on either side. And then just glue that into place. And I didn't do the whole end, just right where it meets the shim. And I'm going to do that on both sides. Just a tiny bit of glue, and then wrap that around. And then again, just glue it into place and then cut off the excess. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute and I absolutely love it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.